For months, it's been a possibility. The threat of Safeway workers walking off the job as their union negotiates for better pay and staffing.
Tonight, it's a reality. 2 more stores added today, and the list could get even longer as workers cast their votes to expand to more locations. We're glad to have you with us on Denver 7 News at 10. I'm Jacqueline Allen.
And I'm Jessica Porter. Denver 7's Colette Bordelon talked with a worker today about the choice they've made and the union about how long they're willing to hold out.
Castle Rock and Littleton.
The strike is going to continue to grow until we reach a contract with them.
Are the 2 latest Safeway stores to strike, and shoppers in Colorado could soon be faced with a picket line at more and more stores.
I did take the flyer, and to be fair, I did say I'm going in for my kid's prescription.
We saw many people cross that picket line.
I'm sure they would like support and not shopping here, but you know, this is the closest store to my house, so.
But out of those shoppers, many say they understood the point of the strike.
I've been with Safeway for 5 years as a head clerk, but I am a temporary representative with Local 7.
Tanner Von Steen is one of the people striking outside the Castle Rock store.
I spent a good 8 months working in a department all by myself, in a department that I wasn't even hired to do, actually.
More staff is one of their demands, along with better pay and benefits.
We may be returning back to the table. We're looking at trying to find some sort of venue to meet.
Kim Cordova is the president of United Food and Commercial Workers Local 7, the union representing Safeway and Albertson employees throughout Colorado.
They continue to have really big concessions on the table. They haven't resolved the unfair labor practice charges that we have against them. So we're still far apart.
In a statement, Safeway says in part, they're committed to productive discussions with the union, and they're disappointed in the decision to strike some of the stores. They continue to say the allegations of unfair labor practices are, quote, without merit.
They're wrong. I mean, there's a reason why workers all over the state of Colorado have voted almost unanimously.
Cordova says this fight is to create a better store.
With the rushes we get later on in the afternoon, I mean, the amount of product that we couldn't get to the shelf because I'm a one-man team, it was very stressful.
And they're prepared to picket
as long as needed
until they get what they want. Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.
This situation could get a lot more complicated at any moment. King Soopers employees could also vote to strike. They were trying to work out a deal with Kroger, but a 100-day window ran out last week. This isn't the first time King Soopers employees went on strike for 12 days in February. They're represented by the same union as Safeway employees. Denver 7 wanted to know what a dual strike could mean for customers. Here's what the president of the union told us.
A lot of our fight, most of our fight is around creating better stores for the consumer to shop in. So, we are fighting for the consumers. We don't want to hurt them and have them not have options to shop.
She went on to say the union may try to avoid having strikes at both chains on the same day.